What is up, guys? All right, it's the moment we've all been waiting for tonight. We're doing team randoms for the final three cases of Pristine that's guaranteed this card. Guaranteed that card. Plus, I think some cards you guys are going to be just okay with. So, I'm going to run this sort of like a Raz, just so it's legit and everything. We'll go live. And I'll do that timestamp. It's 8:35, and it is 8:35 here in Denver. Okay, we got the name list that we have copy and pasted 2 times. We got Kyle on top and Francis and Kyle's split spot on the bottom. And then we have all the teams, 30 teams, and we're doing both lists 3 times. And then whatever team you match up against is the team you get for the break. All right. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. We got Francis and Kyle on top, and Grant on the bottom. There's that. And now for the team list. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and good luck. 3. We got Buffalo on top and Detroit on the bottom. And there you guys have it. And if you don't get one of the big teams, don't sweat it. And guys, there you go.